going? What's happening? Blessed, beautiful souls. Kiara Ducasse here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Every day and every way, making these cool videos for you on the channel so that you and me and we can all benefit from making money on these projects that I'm sharing and showing you and giving you the best possible opportunities here for success for your future self. So make sure to get into some crazy awesome energy. Guys, I actually had, because it was my birthday on Sunday, I had such an awesome gift from one of my mates. He gave me the book on blockchain revolution, and it's by Dan and Alex Tapscott. And I don't know if you guys know them, but this was the first time I've actually heard of them. I have heard of them, but I didn't know who they really were until I got that book. And I have barely been able to put that book down. That's how crazy it is. And I haven't read for a few months, unfortunately. I've just been attending to a lot of stuff within our business and businesses. So really just been pushing. But in today, I have an incredible video for you. I've got lots of content to share with you. And there's going to be a ton of stuff coming out of the channel today and over the next few days. So make sure to hit that subscription bell, notification bell, so that you know when I do videos like this for you to help you make more capital gains in the market. But for now, I'd love to say to you, Bybit link down below, you can get yourself a $30,000 deposit bonus, and yeah, I guess use that to build your wealth. That's it. That's as simple as it is. So with that being said, I would like to go and show you the cryptocurrency market cap is down 0.4%. So in other words, it's like a small scratch at the moment. The market is slowly bleeding. It's not like it's an open gash or an open wound that is bleeding. It's just a very small market bleed right now. So 27,516 for Bitcoin, 1832 for Ethereum, BNB is still 311.63, 42 cents for XRP, 36 cents for Cardano, Dogecoin 7.2 cents, Solana 20.61, Matic is 86 cents, Polkadot 541, Litecoin 80.37, Shiba Inu 890. Gosh, Shiba Inu just keeps dropping and dropping and dropping, eh? Look at that drop, it just keeps going down. Well, that's a bit sad, but yeah, nonetheless, it is okay. Avalanche 1536, Uni at 515, Chainlink at 650, and Cosmos at 1081. So there isn't much change. I mean, these coins have been pretty constant in their order at the top here. Absolutely nothing since my video that I did for you last night. I did a very simple video for you last night, pump and dump day, because there was a CPI data. So we had crazy stuff happen in the market, but guys, Pepe keeps bleeding. Now, this is an open wound. This is gashing out. Now, I just want you guys to be very, very sure not to consider investing in these things at the moment. You know, I've been sitting on the sideline. I didn't get in. I didn't put $100 in and come out with $1 million, you know, like a lot of people or a few people have. And honestly, I don't think I will be doing that, because it's not the place I would want to put my money. You know, Binance specifically said that there's nothing to the coin. There's absolutely zero. It's got nothing. There's no utility, nothing. It's just a meme coin. So for me, guys, I wouldn't want to be investing in that. You can see Atom or Cosmos is pumping against Bitcoin. Hex is pumped against Bitcoin. BitGet token, also Woo, Carver. A few coins have pumped. So, you know, some of them are pumping against Bitcoin right now, but I think that's just because Bitcoin is pretty much sitting flat at the moment. So, yeah. Yesterday, as I said, we had 4.9% CPI data. Today, we have PPI, which is Production Price Index. If we get lower than this level, then I do believe that we will see the crypto assets pump again. So, you know, it's so interesting that all of this shit, which it has nothing to do with Bitcoin or crypto at all, actually affects the crypto market so much. Now, reading in this blockchain revolution book, the son and father, Dan and Alex, were actually speaking about how Bitcoin back in 2016 was only a $5 billion market cap. Didn't I just show you that we're at a $1.1 trillion market cap? That's 1,000 billion. Okay. All right. Just to give you some wild perspective. Okay. So, even let's go and look at that in the calculator. Okay. Just to give you guys an idea of how far the crypto market cap, 300 million, 118, yeah, no, there, yeah, yes, that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, no, 3 more, there you go. Okay, divided by 5 billion, that's 50, 500, 5 million, 50 million, 500 million, 5 billion. The entire crypto market cap since 2016 has pumped 236x. And you guys telling me, or the people out there like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, I respect that they've made money, but the thinking is old and they need to get real, because if something has 236x'd in the past 7 years, okay, that is on average 34x a year. Okay. Now I'm sure you're actually getting very excited. So for me, I said this potential market cap could go up to 200 trillion by about 2030, 2032. Some of you have been engaging with me and asking me that in the comments below. So thank you for that. I really do appreciate it, because it keeps the channel tight and asking questions. You must always ask questions. You must do your own research. But that's just about a 200x still from where we are today. Okay, it means you're early. You're an early adopter. I've seen people in crypto. I haven't experienced it myself yet, but I've seen people like Chris from Crypto, Carl from the Moon, and so many of these people. I've seen Granger BC. So many people in the crypto market have actually done so well because they invested it by 2016 and they got in the bull run for 2017. So you're at the 2016 level right now for the next bull run. Why wouldn't you be investing in crypto? Even if it still falls another 50% from where it is today, which I can't say. I'm not a genie in a bottle, and nor is anyone else. But guys, that's telling us something here right now. So lots of PPI data today and continuing jobless claims. And then we got one of the Fed chairs speaking a little bit later. So let's go and start off with the Dixie as we always do. The 8-hour on the Dixie has been pumping, but we're oversold on the RSI, overbought on the RSI. Gosh, I get that so confused all the time, but at least I correct myself. So it's overbought here. We're under resistance level. So for me, there's not much more of a pump in this, although we're looking as though we've tested, we broke out of this angle, tested support, and we're pushing up. It could, but it's debatable. The BTC market cap dominance, boom, officially broke my line. So we're coming down, which is telling us that Bitcoin is coming down. Guys, I'm going to say to you that we're probably going to hit this zone here, okay? Then we're probably going to retrace a little bit because you can see the RSI is oversold. And then that would mean that we would have quite a little pump up. So that would be very interesting to see that. The same thing is happening with the Bitcoin price, but the RSI on the 8-hour. So every chart that I've shown you is the 8-hour. I'm giving you the 8-hour because there's 3 8-hour candles in one day. Okay, so you can see that the drops take a few days, the pumps take a few days, the drops take a few days, and so on and so forth. So right now, I will say that we have broken the low yesterday with this little wick down. We didn't break these lows here, but we broke this low and we broke these lows here. So for me, Bitcoin will definitely be coming down to the support 1, but we're holding this box, this purple box. We've been holding it strong for at least 3-4 days here now. Okay, so that's giving us an indication that Bitcoin is strong. With the RSI down here, there is a potential for it to have some sort of little pump at the very most, probably to the green line, maybe to this zone here, which is not much of a pump. But the BTC dominance tells us a different story, and it says basically Bitcoin is losing traction. So not traction, but I'm saying just for in terms of the trade. So I want to go and show you quickly the total. I want to show you total 3. Okay. Because total 3 is just the altcoins. Now, what's happening with the altcoins? Okay. Because the altcoins have broken their trend line here. We broke down, we retested. So we tested the line, we sat sideways, we broke down, we retested, we pulled down. Okay, so for me, we're actually on the way down for the total crypto market cap. And the likelihood is we'll probably come find some support pretty much down at this level again. Now, on the daily, we're oversold on the RSI, but that does not mean we can't do something like this, which essentially pushes this the volume sideways. So we could drop and push the volume sideways, and that would be amazing. But if anything, guys, this is telling us that the entire crypto market cap is losing some sort of momentum at the moment, and momentum is very powerful. Momentum gives us moves like this. Okay, consolidation gives us moves like this, sideways, sideways, sideways for days and days and days. So SPX, not much change there on the weekly. That's the S&P 500, of course. I'll reload that there so we can just go and have a look at it quickly on the daily time frame. And basically, you can see there on not much movement from yesterday. It's up, down, up, down. It's very, very choppy in the past few days. And then the same thing here on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's kind of a little bit more up, but as you can see, we're finally reaching my target that I said. So this could be the last little push up before we see the turn of events down. So Ethereum is pretty much doing the same as Bitcoin. We broke out of the trend, but we broke out sideways. We broke a new low here. And essentially for me, guys, Ethereum has to pull back down to the 1700 level odd on my green line before it makes any sort of direction. But in the interim, in the shorter term time frame, so I'm saying that this will probably happen by month end, whereas in the short interim we're holding support here, and if we get positive PPI data for the US, then this will collapse today or in the next couple of days, and if we get negative, then it will pump. Okay, so that's telling us a whole lot of stuff right now. What do I want to go and show you? Gold. I'm going to show you gold, because gold currently is looking a little bit on the flat side here. We've got a short sell signal, but we've been holding above this support zone that we came up above the other day. So we're pretty much holding on 2025 at the moment, and that is looking pretty decent. But yeah, a little bit coming to an oversold point on the RSI. So for now, guys, I do believe, and if we look at gold, actually, if I take a little trend line and I draw that, then we can see there that that's a trend line that we're currently trying to hold. So if we break that trend line, then we're definitely coming down to this level here, which you can see is major support. And then that will bring us down to this channel line back here, which essentially will hold that support at about the 2000 level. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please remember, like, subscribe, smash the comments button, and of course, let me know your thoughts in the video down below. And have any of you read Blockchain Revolution? Let me know down in the comments below, please. And let's try and get the video for up to 10 likes today. Let's do it, team. Thanks very much, beautiful community. Love you all. Take care.